Well, good morning. So today we are leaving Moab, headed to Bluff. We plan on stopping by Newspaper Rock. A lot of petroglyphs this morning. Rode off of 191. Come back on some dirt, head to Bluff. We'll get there early. Beat as much of the heat as possible. Now that is a bunch of red dirt right there. Yes, we were on a sandy road. Look at that. Yeah, good stuff.